Welcome back to my second ever how-to video. The really short highlight clip probably gave it away that I haven't done a lot of these. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an espresso. There was something else I was supposed to say about that. Oh, 5 steps. 5 steps. Step 1, use distilled water. Don't use tap water. If you do, your espresso will end up tasting like Donald Trump's withery. Step 2, use espresso ground coffee and put it into the cup thingy. Then you want to tamp it down real nice. Step 3, line up the tabs and put this thingy in. Step 4, it's time. Right in time for my 5 o'clock mustache.